Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reading the Chrome warning carefully so you know what to fix and why. Once done, open the menu and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This is where most controls live. Make sure Chrome is updated. Outdated builds can show stale or repeated warnings. You'll act on site permissions next, so keep the warning tab open for reference. Don't skip updating. It reduces false positives and ensures settings changes take effect smoothly. Now, you'll remove the immediate source by going to Site Settings and inspecting notifications. Block or remove the specific site that triggered the alert. Once you block it, clear that site's data and cookies to remove leftover flags that might re-trigger the warning. Next, check your extensions. Disable any you don't recognize or installed around when the warning began, because extensions can generate fake alerts. Finally, make sure Safe Browsing Level is set where you want it so Chrome filters correctly. To complete, restart Chrome and test the site in an incognito window so extensions and cached data don't interfere. If the alert is gone, you're done. If not, use Reset Settings as a last resort, which restores defaults without deleting bookmarks. Once reset, recheck notifications and extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: create a new Chrome profile to isolate the problem. If the warning disappears there, migrate bookmarks and settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.